Nice video for today. We got a Range Rover Sport, Land Rover Range Rover Sport, HSE, 16 plate. And today we are doing the air filter. There's the replacement filter, as you can see, all clean. And this is in here is where your air filter would be. So you got one screw there, 1, 2, 3, already undone them. 4, 5, 6, 7. Lift those 7 up. You can undo these jubilees, but if you've got just enough room without doing any damage, just gently pull that one out. There's your old one. And we'll put in the new one. Look at that. All in there, ready to go. Now, just put these screws back in. And that is your air filter fitted. If you haven't already, check out the cabin filter video. I might even stitch them together so it's all one video. More to come. Thank you very much.